Umthi lo mdokurarako umamitha 6.4 ubude begodu umuthi ka-kresmusi ohlukileko owenziwe ngenqetshana zaboncaku nabalukuweko. Inqetshana eziluke ngewulezi ezivela amahlangothi woke wenarha ziboncaku nabambalabala abayi-20 cm kanti boke njalo batshengisa amatshwayo ka-kresmusi, imbhaloni nensimbi.
I motivated my group about November last year, and they started making squares, and their friends made squares, and my family all around South Africa, and we must have, I only wanted 1,000 squares, and I think we've got 1,800, close to 2,000 squares.
Ikore nokutharha le khuthaza ukusebenzisana nokubambisana.
Really taught me teamwork, how we can achieve massive results in a short space of time if we work as a team.
Ikambiso yokweluka ekadeni le yenza umuntu ahlala aphilile begodu iletha ithabo nomusa.
An idea, a simple idea, a ball of wool and a crochet hook has snowballed dramatically into what many people are calling a movement for good, a movement for change in our world. These decorations on this tree are going to be made into blankets to be distributed to people who need them in the cold winter months.
Umthi lo letha nomoya omuhle ka-kresmusi.
It's fantastic. I think they did a nice job. They went to a hard job. A lot of work went into it. And I like the atmosphere.
Konke lokhu shokhona bona ufikile uKresmusi. Uzwa ngomoya yakhe ngitsho nemkorotsha khona yangifakazela.